The day is finally happening. So yeah, ndikopa ndotakala ngamanda. Ori doba lino swika. Now hope na loba doba lela lo plan or le doba ngazi 18 July. But because of what we're experiencing as the country, COVID-19 pandemic, we had to postpone, but finally the day is here. The preparations ziko stressa nyana hopo na zitu zinji zinazo kuitea and having to consider rero I had to plan or we had to plan for this day nga chipinga chitukutuku chera rosa nacho, but the plans to succeed. I'm really looking forward to see my beloved wife happy on this day.
It's happening!
I'm excited, I'm happy because I'm marrying my best friend, and yeah, I have so many mixed emotions, but all in all, yeah, I'm excited. Hectic because due to COVID you have to go with the regulations and stuff, so yeah, but anyway, we are here. We're walking down the aisle, obviously. Ndiafhi, I love you so much. Thank you. Uri onanga today. Here I am.
I'm a banana this was